about to go crazy on this. Yeah. So basically, yo, you guys saw the last part where we finally pulled my front diff and the stupid CV hub that was making me want to kill myself forever is this bad boy right here. Yeah. All right. Now I got it positioned just right. So as you can see, this little C-clip here is what my problem child was. And you can also see I'm missing like half of it. And it does not spin in free play like it's supposed to. See that? You see that? That does not happen with this one. So that was most of the problem with why this wouldn't come out. As you can see, it's actually, I actually shaped it I formed it into the shape of my splines from trying to mash it out. Not good, but yeah. So time for reassembly in a nutshell. We're gonna put this back in. This goes back in on the driver's side. I have to do these all on this side, but I'm still not done. I'm still not out of the woods. I'm still low-key screwed because I've got to drill out these 2 bolts or replace this whole spindle. Yeah. So yeah, but tonight, first things first, like I said, I'm going to throw the diff back in and get some of that stuff taken care of just to get it a little more finished up, you know, type shit. So I'm only focusing on this one problem I have left. And yeah, then we're going to get it done. Let's go. There she is. Diff's in. Drive shaft is in. That's done. Still gotta work on this side and putting this side back together. You gotta have at least one clip of you at one point in every one of these videos doing something random. I got slobber, I got something funnier in the other one, and now I got that. So guys, here we are. The driver's side is done. Differential is back in. I put in the ABS sensor on the driver's side, the driver's side CV axle, driver's side spacer, wheel, all that jazz, and the drive shaft. So now, my only problem child left. See that nice empty hole right there? That's what we like to see. My only problem child left is these. Just gonna be a few drill bits. So, in short, I'm just gonna sit here and drill the crap out of that for the next hour, and I'll maybe catch up with you guys later, but hopes aren't high. So yeah, here we go. So basically, in a nutshell,
He doesn't know how to use it.
I'm not doing anything else on my truck. At all.
What is this, alive?
Nah. Outro. Dude, I need to get the outro music like your one buddy has so I can be like...
You say about the blast us.
Bro, same one.
Go.
Yo, that was him? The outro guy is the guy from U-Haul? Oh my God!
Yeah.
I thought I knew him from somewhere, but I was like, he looks so familiar.
Bro, I literally told you
that. No, you were saying that, but I thought you meant like you knew him, like he was your boy.
But I was like, yeah, bro.
Like, wow,
I was like, bro, he was over at Mason's the other night.
Yo, that's so crazy. Wow. Well, he's still go for that. That saved the whole operation. But guys, this is gonna end the video. I just gassed you up in that last clip about how I was gonna do the drilling for an hour. I'm gonna go eat pizza and go to the gym. But tomorrow, I'm gonna drill the crap out of it like it's your mom. And it's going to come out. And it's going to be great. And the taco's going to be fixed by the weekend. Today's Thursday. Count it, bitch.